Have you ever looked at a fractal and thought, is that random? I mean, all those wild swirls and jagged edges, surely some chaos must be at play. But here's the twist. Fractals might look unpredictable, but at their core they're built on pure order. Let's break it down. First, what does random even mean? When I say something's random, there's no pattern. No way to predict what comes next. Like flipping a perfectly fair coin, the outcome is up in the air. In science, true randomness means the result isn't determined by what came before. So, fractals, those endlessly repeating intricate shapes, what's their deal? Most fractals, like the famous Mandelbrot set or the Sierpinski triangle, are deterministic. They follow strict rules with no wiggle room. But wait, if fractals are rule-bound, why do they look messy, so chaotic? That's the magic of complexity. Tiny rules stacking up, repeating, create patterns that feel unpredictable, yet aren't. It's like following a recipe. Same ingredients, same steps, same cake. Now here's where things get interesting. Sometimes randomness sneaks into the fractal world. To mimic real life, to look like clouds, mountains, or the rough edge of a coastline, I add randomness. These are random or stochastic fractals. Think of it like rolling dice as you draw each twist and turn. The overall structure stays fractal. Zoom in and you'll still see repeats. But the tiny details are unpredictable. That blend of order and chaos is how artists and game designers make worlds feel real. It's math and randomness working together. So does true randomness exist in a fractal environment? For traditional mathematical fractals, nope. Rules, not chance. But feed randomness into the recipe and you get self-similar yet surprising patterns. In the end, fractals show. Order can look like chaos, and a little randomness can make the world feel alive. It's not choosing one or the other, but combining them just right. So next time you see a thundercloud or a mountain range, remember, what looks random might be fractal, and what's fractal might have a dash of randomness tossed in. That's the wonder of math and the beauty of our universe.